What's up everyone? Artist Palette Fire. Welcome back to the channel. Before we start today's drawing tutorial, I need you to answer one question. How many of you have said, "I can't draw, be honest"? If that's you, this message is especially for you, because today, we're breaking that mindset completely. Drawing is not magic. Drawing is not something only talented people can do. Drawing is a skill, and skills can be learned. Let me tell you something powerful. Every artist you admire, every professional illustrator, every graphic designer, they were beginners once. Yes, even the ones you think are naturally gifted. They drew bad sketches. They messed up proportions. They erased so much the paper almost tore. The difference between them and everyone else? They didn't quit. Now here's the secret most people don't tell you. Everything complicated in drawing is made from simple shapes. That's it. A face? Circle. A house? Squares and triangles. A body? Ovals and lines. If you can draw a circle, a square, and a triangle, you can draw almost anything. The problem is not your ability. The problem is impatience. Most beginners try to draw details first. They jump straight into the eyes, the hair, the tiny lines, without building the foundation. But great drawing is built step by step. Shapes first. Structure second. Details last. Trust the process. Now let's talk about mistakes. Some of you get frustrated when your drawing doesn't look perfect. You erase. You get annoyed. You think, maybe I'm just not talented. Stop right there. Mistakes are not proof you can't draw. Mistakes are proof you're learning. Every wrong line teaches your brain something. Every sketch improves your hand control. Every drawing makes you better, even if you don't see it immediately. And here's something powerful. If you draw just 15 minutes a day, just 15, you will improve. I promise you. Not because of magic. Not because of talent. But because repetition builds ski.
Consistency beats talent every time. And please, stop comparing yourself to artists online. You are comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. That's not fair to you. Instead, compare your drawing today to your drawing last month. That's the only competition that matters. Listen carefully. Don't say, "I can't draw." Say, "I'm learning to draw." That one sentence changes everything. Because when you say you're learning, you give yourself permission to grow. And growth takes time. So here's your challenge. After this video, grab a pencil. Draw something simple. Focus on shapes. Don't worry about perfection. Just draw. Because every single line you make is progress. And if you keep going, if you stay consistent, if you trust the process, you will look back one day and say, "Wow, I've improved." And that moment, that's worth everything. So if you're ready to improve your drawing skills, smash that like button, thumbs up. Subscribe for more tutorials, Artist Palette. And let's grow together as artists.